Hi, Nick from Opinion Meter here today to talk to users about creating new users inside of your account, as well as modifying rules and creating rule sets and privileges. To start, we're going to take a look at my current account hierarchy by going to User List under the User Management menu. I can see that I have a parent account with a single user in it, as well as a child account with no users and a child account below that with no users. Today, I'm going to create a user in the Georgia sub-account. To do this, I'm going to choose the User Management menu and Create New User. Next, I'll choose the account that the user will exist in. In this case, we'll use Georgia. I can check Autofill from Parent, and if the parent account has any information such as addresses, it'll fill it in automatically. Now I need to give this user a username. We'll choose Dave Smith and fill in their other information. Now that I've filled in all of my user information, I can go ahead and click Submit. Once I choose Submit, I'll be taken to a screen where I can either assign privileges from a rule, which this account does not currently have any rules configured, or assign privileges from another user. Alternately, I can go through and give the user individual privileges, such as access to different parts of user management, survey creation, devices, reports, and premium settings. In this case, I'm just going to give the user full access to everything, and I'm going to select Save. Now let's say that I need to create a lot of users, and I don't want to have to go through and give each one individual privileges. I can create what's called a rule. To do this, I simply go up here to User Management, Rules, and choose Add Rules. As of right now, this account doesn't have any rules, so first I'll choose my rules type, which is sub-account, and then I'll set my rules name, which is New User Rule Set. You can have multiple rule sets for different levels of user access. Once you've chosen your rules name and rules type, you simply set the permissions for that rule set. In this case, perhaps I want to give these users full access to everything, except I don't want them to have access to things like devices. So I can come through here and deselect all of the device items. Once I've configured my rules the way that I want, I can come down and choose Submit, and my rule set's created. I can now apply these rules to users as I create them, or go back and apply them to existing users. To apply rules to existing users, go to User Management, Rules, and Apply Rules. Next, you'll find the user you wish to apply these rules to. Choose the rule set it to Active, and click Apply. The rules are now applied to the user and the permissions are configured as such. This has been a brief video on user creation and user management rules and permissions.